How to fix your TikTok video not uploading. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? In this video, we're going to be looking at exactly how to upload it or how to fix if it's still not working when you do it the proper way. So the first thing you want to do is open your application and tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and record or select your video from your gallery and tap on next. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and enter your description with hashtags if you want, and simply go ahead and click on post, and that is going to go ahead and post it. But if you're still facing problem, there are a couple of things you can do. The first thing you want to do is simply go to your TikTok settings and then look for free up space and then clear cache. If your application is not up to date, you are definitely going to be facing this problem. Go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and update your application. You can also try restarting your phone, and if the problem still persists, you can simply uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.